Welcome to Paul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. Today is going to be a really quick, short video, and we're going to be doing a video on iced coffee. This isn't cold brew. This is just simple iced coffee. A lot of us like it, and this is going to be short and sweet. Amy's not here. No one's here to really help me do this today, so this is going to be really quick. So first of all, in the coffee maker, I have my normal amount of coffee beans in here. And then for the water, I only used half the amount of water I need. And then the rest is ice that's sitting in here. So basically what's going to happen is it's going to be more of a concentrate coming into the ice, which is going to kind of make it cold, and yet it's going to melt us right away. And so what you want to do in the meantime, get your coffee cup ready. If you have any syrup, if you have anything you want to use, that's great. But we'll be back when we're ready to serve. Welcome back. So we're finally done. The coffee has been brewed, and you're going to notice that it's still semi-warm, but because of the coffee turning into concentrate, it's going to be a little different, and this is all ice cubes instead of just plain liquid. So I've got my cup here. There's a little bit of coffee syrup and some ice. So I'm just going to take this out here. We're going to pour it. Now, this is a cold brew, which, to be honest with you, I kind of prefer cold brew, but every now and again, a nice iced coffee is really nice. I just suggest having like maybe 3 ice cube trays to be good. So I'm going to take this from Alex, and Alex is going to go and he's going to have a taste of that. Hopefully he likes it.
Hopefully. Pretty good, actually.
Yeah,
I like that.
So it's a lot better than going to Tim Hortons. And for you Americans and foreigners outside of Canada, Tim Hortons is our coffee chain. It's the coffee chain. But if you go to Starbucks or anywhere else, you're going to find that it's expensive and they add a lot of garbage to it.
A lot of sugar.
Oh yeah. So if you make it yourself, it's what you put into it. That is just basic coffee, ice, and it's actually a sugar-free syrup, so it's pretty good. You can get them on Amazon. They're great. You don't have to get the sugar ones. You can, but Amy and I being diabetic, Alex isn't, but him being a young man, all he kind of needs to watch the sugar.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's a healthy option, right? Now, you can put a little bit of cream in that. You can put sugar in it. You can put whatever you want, but that's basic. It's simple. It's easy, and there you go. So anyways, thanks for coming into Paul's Kitchen, and please hit the like, share, subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.